Okay. Clicky for the loop. Alright. Feels good. Let's go, buddy. Alright. More fun now. Getting off the fucking ground. What? Who are you? So many feet on noise, man. Really? You wouldn't place it up there? Maybe all this sport is, I mean, if you want to, you done? There you go. Okay. Over. I haven't climbed trad in a long time, man. Okay. It's not really a ton of options. Get something back here. Sorry, I know this is not competition speed. Dude, what? Good, man. I kind of chimneyed here. Put my feet on the left and just thumbed up and go. I would have brought the 5 for that. You want it? Yeah. This should be just on the ground in the bag. Oh. Maybe like tell me when you're throwing it before you throw it. Good idea. Ready? Yep. Got it. Thank you. Okay, we got some feet over here on the corner. Yeah, man, I should have practiced some trad. Right. I should have brought my food. We're all making mistakes today. Oh yeah, that's a butte right there. Falling on a chimney with only a Omega Pacific Link cam below me is not my idea of a fun Saturday. I mean, if I had more pieces below me, we could talk about it. But if that's the only one, nope. Nope. Okay. Yeah, let's do wall pirates next time.
Do wall pirates next time?
Yeah. Climb bolter ice a million times. Ooh. Let me save the 4 for up there. Really? It's definitely hard getting off the ground.
Okay. Wouldn't be a crack without getting my foot stuck. So yeah, this is route 2 where I had, at least the second one we were doing. Because I just bailed on old school. I think it's an 8 or an 8 plus, but man, that thing is like mega hard. Alright. Let's see, it's there. Is that a 2? I'm gonna go 3 there. Yeah, that's fine. Wow, that was pretty special. All right, just heard someone yell rock. That was a little spooky. All right. I really should have filled up chalk. Yeah, right. Nice work, idiot. Clipping. Are they left or? Oh, I see them. Never mind, I just didn't see them. Clipping. All right, Patrick, take. All right, you can get me down. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces. Oh, man. Thanks.
Fun, right?
Clipping. All right, Patrick, take. All right, you can get me down. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces. Hooah.